To set speak keyboard input load as characters and words in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, scroll the notification panel, swipe the notification panel and then the settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find accessibility and then tap accessibility. Select advanced settings. And then tap speak keyboard input load. Select characters and words. But you must turn on speak keyboard and input load. So first tap switch until on. If off, tap switch until on and then select characters and words. Tap the button to save. Now speak keyboard input load set as characters and words. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.